Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the features that not a lot of people know about and that it could be very useful is the clipboard that can be activated to show or keep multiple copy paste objects that you might want to keep available. So, an example here, if I press the Windows key and the letter V, you could see all of the copy paste things that I did. So, a link here, a picture here, another picture, and some text that I actually took. So, it adds every time you do a copy paste, it adds to the list of items in the clipboard. So, how do you activate all of this? If you go to Settings, go into the System tab on the left, you'll see that there's an option that is the clipboard. By activating the clipboard history, you are able to keep all of what you copied and pasted for future use. So maybe you have 4, 5, 6 items that you want to copy, and you know that you're going to copy paste these items again and again in the same day or so on. Well, you can have the clipboard history on to keep all of them so that you can use them when you need it. Also, you can do this if you are on a Microsoft account. You can do the clipboard history across devices, which means that all the devices that have this turned on, you will have access to the clipboard of the main PC that you might have been doing some copy and paste. And of course, you can have the text synced automatically if you want, or there's a manual sync. Now, if you have tons of things in your clipboard like I have and you want all of it to be removed, you just clear the clipboard and the clipboard history will not have the items anymore. So, denting here, as you see. So this is kind of cool. The clipboard history is a nice feature and it could be very, very useful for some. I like it because it enables me to keep some of the links. Sometimes I want to copy and paste several links and I know I'm going to use them again. So rather than having to go and copy paste again the same link, by having the clipboard history there, well, it's available for me with the other links that I have. So as soon as you copy something, a picture, a link, a text in a document, it will appear within the clipboard history, and you'll be able to use it again if you wish. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.